So ito yung flowchart ng server 1. My server that attached 9, ito yung which tell the program that server motor is connected to pin 9. So bali 9 kasi yun, so pin 9 on the Aldrin board. Next is for loop. So itong looping na to is iterates from 0 to 180 degrees in steps of 1 degree. It makes the server motor to rotate from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. And then yung my server that write POS is line that position of server motor that current value of POS range. Yun nga yung 0 to 180 degrees. Tapos yung delay 50 niya is yung this is the line introduced a delay of milestone before moving the next position. Is this delay is necessary because servo motors cannot move instantly from zero position from one position to another. Next looping is ito yung this is another for loop that iterates from 180 degrees back to 0 degrees in step of negative 1 degree. It makes the server rotate from 180 degrees back to 0 degrees. So next is my server that write POS. So these lines work same way in the first for loop, but it reverse order, causing the server motor to rotate back to starting position.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on